what do we have here? Well, we decided to pick up an 02 CR250 two-stroker. We're not going to build it up to be a show pony. None of these builds you're going to already see where every nut and bolt's been gone through. But we're building this thing up to be a screamer. It's going to be nice, but we have a few riders that we're sponsoring that we really want to see them shred on this thing. So our video is going to be a little bit different. Sure, it's going to have some build of the bike and what parts we're going to be using, and the suspension, motor work, tires, a parts list is going to be pretty extensive. But overall, we sort of want it to be a sleeper, and more than anything else, we want it to go fast. So we're trying to make some content this year that's going to be featuring guys using our bike, going quick, and seeing some different styles. So I hope you guys enjoy it and follow along for the build. Now, I won't lie to you. I would like to say that I got this out real quickly, but what happened was the rear axle sort of welded itself into the frame because of the corrosion. So it took me some PB blast and a lot of tapping, and I wasn't able to save this thing, so I'll have to order a new one. But as you can see, engine's out, which is good. Off to the engine builder, and step one complete. So feeling good. I would say it was quick, but we know that's a lie. The devil's in the details, but she's pretty clean as far as just scrubbing her down, but I'm gonna have to polish her up, get rid of some of the scratches, a couple of those deep grooves. The air box was a mess, but I can fine-tune this stuff. But at least, you know, the gas tank's clean, frame's clean, and then we'll polish her up and get her nice. All right, what do we got here? Oh man, I'm not gonna act like I didn't open this earlier, but this is what it looks like. Got our factory connection forks and rear shock done. Man, pro level setup. Pretty stoked on this, and gonna slide it into the upper today, and it's coming along. It's a little bit steady. It's going together. It's just not as fast as anybody wants it to go. But we got factory connection. Went with these guys because a couple of guys online told me it's the business, so we'll give them a shot. Excited to get these back. Got the triple clamps on there, and bar clamps, bearings, and the ignition's going in, and we'll just keep it going. I won't lie, it's been a minute since I've done some MX tubes and tires install, but we got it done today. And big shout out to Dunlop, contributed some MX34s front and rear, and yeah, looking pretty good. We're getting there. Got a wave rotor. Got Dennis Kirk to ship out some parts really quickly, so shout out to them. Appreciate the help, and we're getting there. Project 250 is coming along slowly but surely. Basically rebuilt all the masters and the calipers, and I'll shine things up later, but for now just mocking everything up, from the foot pegs, the tank, the bars, suspensions in there, going for a retro style upgraded plastic kit. So I got the factory connection, we got the one finger easy pull, and we did some modifications to the stock master, but she's coming along, looking good. All right, project 2002 CR250 has been going pretty well, to be honest. Now we're just waiting on the motor. Everything else has been installed. I'm just gone through the painstakingly fun of replacing all the bolts with new bolts. And making sure that I get everything Loctited in. Real big shout out to Dennis Kirk. That's what's been really cool is a lot of the parts were in stock and they shipped actually that day. So I haven't been waiting on parts. I've just been waiting for the motor. Suspension's been done. Wheels, Dunlop tires. So graphics are going on next, and then we'll plop the motor in. So far she's looking good. And you know, this video is a little bit different than these builds that you see online. I'm slapping it together, but really I just want to make a really cool video, and that's why we're making the motor really strong, suspension pro setup, and we'll just see how it goes from there. Man, probably the best part of a build is getting the motor. Well, completing the build's obviously great, but you know, getting the motor back after somebody's gone through this thing all the way to the skeleton, the bones, and then rebuilt it. We just got it back from VPE. Was given Steven's name through a buddy of mine and told me that, you know, he builds these strong motors from 2 strokes to 4 strokes, but one of the guys is doing Supercross. So I thought, man, if this guy's sending his motor out to be done by VPE, it's probably good enough for us over here at One Finger. So we just got her back today. This is the 2002 CR250. And really excited to get this thing in this bike this week, but I thought I'd just give you a little preliminary overview of the engine before it got all dirty. And looks good so far. The details of what we had done I will put in in the video when it's in the bike, and I'll make a list in the description below as well. But for now, she's looking good, and we'll slap it in tomorrow. Alright, I'm just going to give a nice little overview and shut the hell up on this video. Let you guys see. I might point out the parts that are shown with a link below or some verbiage, so have some fun.